Welcome back to Salon Tech Zone, where we explore innovative strategies to boost productivity and improve efficiency. In today's video, we'll delve into the world of total productive maintenance, TPM, and how it can revolutionize your organization's operations. So, let's get started. Understanding total productive maintenance, TPM. Total productive maintenance, or TPM, is a comprehensive approach that aims to maximize the efficiency and reliability of equipment in an organization. Did you know? It was developed in Japan and has since gained widespread adoption across various industries worldwide. Key points of TPM: equipment ownership, preventive maintenance, autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, continuous improvement, overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, training and skill development, supplier involvement, safety, and environmental consideration. It encompasses preventive maintenance, autonomous maintenance, and planned maintenance activities to ensure optimal equipment performance. The pillars of total productive maintenance, TPM, rests on the foundation of 8 essential pillars that work together to achieve operational excellence. Let's dive into each one. Autonomous maintenance. Autonomous maintenance involves empowering operators to take care of routine maintenance tasks, such as cleaning, inspection, and lubrication. Planned maintenance. Planned maintenance focuses on systematic and timely equipment inspections and maintenance based on predetermined schedules. So you can see here this guy is planning and scheduling his works and implementing to others also. Quality maintenance aims to eliminate defects and ensure product quality by implementing proactive measures to prevent errors and defects. Here you can see depict quality checks and defect prevention techniques, such as filling of checklist. Training and skill development. TPM emphasizes training and skill development to enhance the competence of employees, enabling them to handle maintenance tasks effectively. Early equipment management focuses on involving maintenance and engineering teams in the design and procurement stages to ensure equipment reliability and maintainability. Here we see illustrate collaboration between teams during equipment design. Office TPM. Office TPM extends the principles of TPM to administrative and support functions, streamlining processes, reducing waste, and improving overall efficiency. Here we see depicting office processes and improvements. Safety, health, and environment. TPM places a strong emphasis on maintaining a safe and healthy working environment, reducing accidents, and promoting sustainable practices. TPM in administration. This pillar focuses on applying TPM principles to administrative processes, optimizing workflows, reducing paperwork, and enhancing productivity. Benefits of total productive maintenance. Now that we've explored the key pillars of TPM, let's discuss the benefits organizations can reap from implementing this approach. Increased equipment availability. By conducting regular maintenance and involving operators, TPM ensures maximum equipment uptime, reducing costly breakdowns and production losses. Improved overall equipment efficiency, OEE. TPM optimizes equipment performance, resulting in higher E scores by reducing downtime, cycle time, and defects. Enhanced product quality. TPM's focus on preventing defects and maintaining equipment reliability leads to improved product quality, reducing customer complaints and rework. Empowered workforce. TPM fosters a culture of ownership, engagement, and skill development, empowering employees to contribute to continuous improvement initiatives. Cost reduction. Through proactive maintenance and optimized processes, TPM helps reduce maintenance costs, energy consumption, and waste, leading to significant savings. Implementing total productive maintenance. Implementing TPM requires careful planning and a systematic approach. Here are some essential steps to get started. Establish a cross-functional team. Form a team consisting of representatives from various departments to drive TPM implementation and monitor progress. Assess current equipment and processes. Conduct a thorough assessment of existing equipment and processes to identify improvement areas and prioritize action plans. 3. Develop a TPM implementation plan. Create a detailed roadmap outlining the specific activities, timelines, and responsibilities for each TPM pillar implementation. Conduct training and awareness programs. Provide comprehensive training sessions to educate employees about TPM concepts, methodologies, and their roles in the implementation process. Start with pilot projects. Begin by implementing TPM in selected areas or equipment as pilot projects to evaluate effectiveness and build confidence before scaling up. Monitor, measure, and continuously improve. Regularly monitor key performance indicators, measure progress, and encourage a culture of continuous improvement to sustain TPM practices. Conclusion. TPM is a comprehensive approach that aims to maximize the efficiency and reliability of equipment in an organization. The pillars of total productive maintenance. Autonomous maintenance plan, maintenance quality, maintenance training and skill development, early equipment management, office TPM, safety, health, and environment. TPM in administration. Implementing TPM, establish a cross-functional team, assess current equipment and processes, develop a TPM implementation plan, conduct training and awareness programs. Start with pilot projects, monitor, measure, and continuously improve. Benefits of total productive maintenance. Increased equipment availability, reduced downtime, improved overall equipment efficiency, OEE, enhanced product quality, empowered workforce, cost reduction, improved safety. Implementing TPM, establish a cross-functional team, assess current equipment and processes, develop a TPM implementation plan, conduct training and awareness programs. Start with pilot projects, monitor, measure, and continuously improve. Total productive maintenance is a powerful approach that can transform your organization's efficiency, reliability, and overall performance. By leveraging the 8 pillars of TPM and engaging your workforce, you can unlock significant benefits and stay ahead in today's competitive landscape. That concludes our video on total productive maintenance. If you have any questions or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing and maximizing your productivity.